It is Christmas in July here at QVC, so for this episode of Mix It, I am whisking you away on a tropical holiday with my creamy coconut margarita. I'm Julia Cearley, and this is Mix It. You know what that means. It's cocktail time. As always, you know I don't know what to call these drinks, I just make them, so please be sure to leave your ideas for titles in the comments below. We're gonna start off by just juicing our limes and starting off with a little garnish. Now this is a batched cocktail, meaning that this is a cocktail for 2, maybe for 3, or if you're thirsty, for 1. No judgment here. Don't forget though to make 1 slice for your garnish. The trick to make it stand on your glass is to give it just a little slice just to the center there. Now we juice. We're only gonna need about 2 ounces of lime juice. Oh, it smells tropical already. Now it's time to make our drink. I'm actually doing this margarita half with a silver tequila or a blanco and half with a mezcal because I want it to have that nice smoky flavor. Think about those bonfires on the beach. So we're doing this in a Vitamix. So we'll start with our blanco tequila. We're gonna do 2.5 ounces of the blanco. So we're gonna do 2.5 ounces of the mezcal. That's a 1-to-1 ratio. Okay. Next, lime. We're gonna do 2 ounces of our lime juice. Orange liqueur, always very important when you're making any kind of margarita, any kind of flavor, you need that orange liqueur. 2 ounces of that. Next, a few dashes of bitters. It adds that depth of flavor, so it's just not like a sugar bomb of a margarita. This has some nuance to it. I am using a molasses bitters, the secret sauce, cream of coconut, not coconut milk, not coconut cream, cream of coconut. It's going to give this really creamy, sweet texture flavor. This is the first round because we're gonna do 4 ounces of this. This is a tropical holiday. All right. Really thick, so I gotta use my bar spoon to make sure I get every last drop. Very good. Ice. About to get a little loud in here, but it's gonna be worth it. Let's check our consistency. Needs a little more. We want this to be relatively thick because we are gonna layer this drink. So it needs to hold its shape and hold its form. That's the perfect consistency. Boom. We are going to do a little bit of shredded coconut. It's like the snow on Christmas Eve. Take our glass, use that wheel that we already had prepared, and you're going to rim the edge of the glass. Not only will it taste good every sip, but it also helps the coconut stick. There we go. We're gonna get that coconut all over the glass. Let's put some coconut on the lime too. Ready, right? Drink time. Layer 1, a raspberry liqueur. That's gonna give us our bright pop of red for our Christmas in July themed drink. I'm gonna pour 1/2 ounce to 1 ounce just to get a nice layer of it for you. Next, time for our creamy coconut margarita. All right, try to pour slow. I like to use the spoon to help guide it out and control it a little bit more. Let that start to settle. And then for a bright pop of green, we're gonna use a melon liqueur. It's like almost fluorescent. Now this is the trick. Use the back of the spoon to slowly drizzle it over. And then hopefully, if the magic works, it won't all just blend together and become a big purple mess. Now we garnish. We take our coconutty lime that we just made, and to really give it that tropical flair, we have a beautiful orchid. We're gonna pop right in there. Pretty, right? A little straw because these babies are thick. And voila! Tropical holiday in a glass. What do you think, my friends? Pretty? Can you see that green come through? All right, but no more dilly-dallying. Let's give it a little sip. Oh, let's give it another. Well, happy Christmas in July, my friends. Cheers.